So let's talk about used iPhones from Alibaba.com. This video I've made them a couple of times and I keep getting questions about how to buy used iPhones for cheap from Alibaba.com. So I'm going to make this video again just to show you how this is done. And also because currently in Nigeria and most African countries, the demand for used phones it's getting higher. All right, so used phones are back because the newer phones are just too expensive because of inflation, because of dollar rate and all of that. So one of these phones or some of the highest selling used phones are iPhones, and it's not really surprising. And in this video again, I want to show you how to find used iPhones on Alibaba for cheap. I already have a lot of these videos already, so you might want to check them out in case you need them. I'm going to put all of them in the description of this video. All right. So first you need to come to Alibaba.com. And if you do not know Alibaba.com, Alibaba is a B2B marketplace. So it's a business to business marketplace. So this is a website in China where you can come to buy things in quantity and go and resell them for profit. You can basically use this website to start a full business on your own. I'm going to make a full video on that, so subscribe in case you want to learn something like that. So if you come to Alibaba, you want to create an account. And the reason why you want to create an account is if you create an account, you'll be able to get more information about the sellers. Like you can get their phone numbers, their addresses in China, and you can do a manual verification of these products before you pay for them or before you buy them. This is important because people always ask, are iPhones from China original? Are they stolen? Are they fake? And all of that. And I cannot say if they are stolen or not, but one thing you have to understand is that China owns or is a home to most of these iPhones anyway. So all the phones you see on eBay, Amazon and all of them, most of them come from China. They come from China. So I wouldn't go as far as calling them fake or stolen phones, but you can get very cheap used phones here. So come to Alibaba.com and then this is where you search for what you want to buy. So there's a gigantic search bar here that you cannot miss. All right, you come here, you want to search for the iPhone you want to buy. So you can use this search term if you wanted. You can search for refurbished. As you can see, the moment you search for refurbished, you see a lot of them are coming. All right, and we have iPhones here because again, iPhones, they are usually on top of the charts. And let's say we want to buy refurbished iPhone. All right, so you can search for this, or you can search for the particular iPhone model you are looking for. In this case, let's say we are looking for iPhone 15 Pro Max, or let's just go broad and start with refurbished iPhone. So once you search for that, you give it some time to preload the information. All right, and this is where your search begins. This is important. I want you to pay attention. So Alibaba doesn't have a lot of filters like eBay and all of that. So some of these phones, they are going to be all over the place. So you need to do some manual search to get the real thing. So for instance, here you can see we have different phones here. We have different phones, different models, and you can see a whole lot of them. All right, you can see a whole lot of them. By the way, if you want a list of trusted suppliers of this phone that we have used in the past, I'm going to put a link to them in the description of this video. So I collected some of the trusted sellers that we've transacted with in the past. All right, however, you can just come here and find your own. So to prove what I was saying, as you can see, this seller is actually in the USA. All right, this seller is in the USA. So we equally have USA sellers on this website, but most of them are going to be Chinese. And if you want to say the best deal, you want to deal with a Chinese seller. All right, so as you can see, we have multiple options right here we have a lot of them, and you can scroll further to see everything on this page. All right, but even better, you can come here, come to the search bar here, come to the filters here, and you want to apply filters because we want to deal directly with qualified goods sellers, and this is how you find genuine used iPhones. All right, so you want to, first of all, you want to search for verified suppliers or traders who accept trade assurance. So this simply allows Alibaba to be a third-party escrow service that would hold your money until you get the phone. All right, so now all these sellers, these are sellers that accept trade assurance. All right, now you can equally add this other search supplier feature. They should equally be verified suppliers. So as you can see, this one is verified, but this one isn't. This one is verified and this one isn't. All right, so but if they accept trade assurance, then it doesn't really matter if they are verified or not. All right, so you want to come down here, you want to select the store reviews. Let's say we want to deal with sellers who've had 4 points or 4 rating, 4.0 out of 5 rating from people who have bought from them. Now pay attention, this is a store review, it's not a product review. So one store can sell multiple products. All right, so it's an entire store review, so people can buy other things from the store and they make a review about the store. So it's not a product review. Now another thing to understand about reviews on this website is that this is a B2B marketplace, and most B2B marketplace, they are not very heavy with ratings or feedbacks. All right, because this is a business to business. All right, so reviews are usually more when you talk about business to consumer, B2C. All right, so you can set this to be at least, let's say 4.0 upwards. So this gives you added security to let you know that the person you are transacting with, this business, they've done this company, they've done business before, and the business is quite, people enjoyed it. So as you can see, we have these ones, they have 37 reviews, 43 reviews, 44, 110, and a whole lot of them. So you can come here and then you can select other things, like it's a used mobile phone. In this case, our search has covered that. You can select the supplier region. Like we said, we have different suppliers from different countries, but usually we just leave it blank. And then you can select suppliers who have previously exported to other countries. Now the psychology here is, if the suppliers have sent to the United States before, then it is assumed or considered that these phones are good phones, quality phones, and they are genuine. So you can add that if you wanted, and then you can see that I think we've lost most of our search here. So we can see that we have just 4 of them. This might be all you need to transact. Okay, not just 4, we have multiple of them, so it's loading. So that feature or this filter might be important to you. All right, so these are other product certifications. If you want, you can add them. The cellular type, let's say we want only 5G phones, capacity, and all of that. So colors, condition, originally, official, refurbished. So you check this one too. So this lets you know that the phones you are buying, they are from the official, they are officially refurbished. All right, they are officially refurbished, and you now have a very fine selection of filters that you can use to search for phones. So without wasting much time, I'm just going to select this first one, and we can just start to buy these phones from them. All right, so I'm going to give you some time to come up, and then I'll show you how to negotiate, how to check out for the phones and all of that. Now this is the product page for this, and this phone is the 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max. So you have a video, this is a product video of this phone. All right, so you have a product video. So some of them, you see a product video, you see everything, you see the settings, you see the maximum settings, and all of them. So do you have you have some information here already. All right. So if you come down, you can see the product descriptions here, or the key attributes. So they say for iPhone. They do not call it iPhones directly because of copyright infringement and all those kind of things. So they might call it for iPhone. It doesn't mean that this is not the original phone. All right. So the version is USA. The appearance, it has no scratch. These are other things about the phone. So as you can see, the name is for iPhones. These are the capacities, original accessories, 5G network, 6.1 inch battery. So some of these things, they deliberately list them this way. All right. Again, all these things are for trademark copyright issues. So now these are the reviews we have. This is a review based on verified purchases, and this was in October 2nd, 2024. He said the overall service was great, good response time, nice communication and delivery on time. This one, the overall service was great. This was what they got. So they actually got a Samsung phone. So like I said, one seller can sell multiple things. So what we have here is the store review and not the product review. So as you can see here, the product review is 0, but the store review is 157. So you can go through the different products. So as you can see, this one, they bought another phone. All right. So you can see, you can go through the pages and decide if you want to transact with this company or not. So at the top here, you find the company's name. You can see they've been in the game for 12 years. They are based in China. Now, right here, we have the pricing for this phone. So we have 5 to 9 pieces. That's the price. If you're going to buy 5 to 9 pieces, this simply means that the minimum this company will sell is 5 pieces of this phone. So this is the price, $348.99. If you are buying 10 and above, this will be the price. If you are buying 50 and above, 50 to 100, this would be the price. If you are buying 100 and above, this would be the price. So that's how pricing works on Alibaba.com. So they equally have the capacity here, and then the shipping. So this shipping is going to depend on your location. So if they do not have direct shipping to your country, you need to make an arrangement for that. I already have videos that cover all these things. All right. So now I cannot place this order because I am not logged in. So I'm going to try to log in, and that's why I said that you should create an account, because if you create an account, we'll be able to get more information about this company. So to get more information about this company, you can click on the link, the store link there, and then it's going to take you to the profile of this company. All right. So it's like a listing that they have on Alibaba.com. So remember I told you that one store can sell multiple things. So if you come here, you see all the products that they sell. So they have used phones for Xiaomi, they have Samsung, they have OnePlus, they have iPhone, they have Motorola, they have phone batteries, smartwatches, tablet pieces, phone accessories, chargers, and all of that. All right. So you can go through their page and you can see they even have in different languages. All right. You can see their top ranking products based on the headphones, the phone battery, the mobile phones, and all of that. So these are other products that they sell. Samsung, a whole lot of things here. This should be a Xiaomi phone. I think this should equally be a Xiaomi phone and all of that. So you see they have their agents here that you can chat with immediately. But let's say you are not convinced yet, all right, because let's be frank, some of these things are not as hard to put up. All right. So you want to get their store location. So this is why we need to create an account, because we can only get this if we log in. So you come here, you click on contact, and this is where we'll find the store information, like their location in China, their phone number, and all of that. So this is supposed to be like their marketing stuff. And this is the person you can call and negotiate with. So this is how you negotiate on Alibaba. You need to get and meet them. You need to talk to them directly for them to make you discount. So this is their shop location in China. All right, so if you have an agent, you can send somebody to go and verify that these guys are legit. But if you wanted the company phone number, you can click on view now, and then you can view it. But I am currently not logged in, that's why I cannot view it. But if I could log in, if I was logged in, I can just say send my information, and they are going to give me their phone numbers. Oh, great. I can, in fact, okay, I'm now logged in. So this is their phone number, this is the company and all of that. So this address was verified by Intertech. All right. So I am not affiliated to this company. So if you decide to get and work with this company, that will be completely your decision. So I'm just making this video purely for educational purposes. So this is the way that you use to find suppliers of used iPhones in China. So if you want to verify further if these phones are original phones, if they are not stolen, I already have a video that covers all of that, and that video is going to be linked up here and also in the description of this video. So this, my friend, is how you can find genuine used refurbished iPhones on Alibaba.com. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, please like this video. If no, tell me in the comment section. If you have questions, you ask me. My name is Good Noel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.